Frank Bisha, real dick Lisa. Underlay, underlay, underlay. All these niggas do what mama say. Give him a piece, now he wanna stay. Only pop out for 100K. Central Pay is where we landed.
Okay, you guys, so I've been at home for the past like 4 hours just working on content, working on graphics. I did just upload the vlog from yesterday, so by the time y'all see this, that will have been up already. I'm currently at CVS. I decided to get vaccinated. I've been going back and forth about it for a while, but I have been doing a lot of traveling. I go to a lot of concerts. I plan to continue doing a lot of traveling. So with that being said, I feel like it's just easy to just get the vaccine, get it over with, because I don't want to have to, every time I go somewhere, have them sticking that thing up my nose. So I just decided to get this freaking vaccine. So me and my mom are about to go get vaccinated right now. And it is what it is. I just said, fuck it. Let's just get it over with, get the vaccine. I didn't want to, I don't know. I was just anxious around getting the vaccine. I support your decision whether you decide to get vaccinated or not. Y'all just be safe out here, but let's go in here and get this vaccine so I can go home. I'm so tired. I feel like I just been going in overdrive like the past week with just working, and I'm just like, I can't slow down. Like, I plan on doing all these webinars and trainings and working and traveling and things like that. So your girl gotta be working, but it's okay. Anywho, let me get my things. I'm about to head in here. And I go out of town on Thursday. I still didn't get my nails or my toes done. I'm hoping I can do it later this week. So yeah, let's go into CVS. CVS be looking a little like abandoned. I'm more of a Walgreens kind of girl, but my eyelashes too long. They keep hitting my glasses. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all after. I will let y'all know how it goes. Okay, y'all. I'm back. Don't mind that. That is a bunch of stuff that I bought that I took out of the packages. So, oh, I don't want to lose my passport because normally I'll lose it before I go. So, I was going to use this medium one, but I'm going to use this big one because I don't know if all my stuff is going to fit. I'm only going for like 4 days. So, excuse me, Coco. So, here is the mess. So, I'm going to put it all together. Hold on, let me get y'all back. Put y'all back. So, let's get into it. So, I have this really cute this black dress from Fashion Nova. I know we're gonna be out at the bars and stuff and drinking, so I think that'll be something cute to wear. And I'm just gonna pair that with some plain black sandals. My Tory Burch sandals can never go wrong. They always hold me down whenever. Then I got my black. This is I always pack my airport outfit. So I got my airport outfit going and my airport outfit coming back. I got this little black bag from Pretty Little Things. I'm taking this. I can wear it with multiple things in my luggage. So with the black dress, with this black two-piece. I also have this, which is like a long flowy. It's gonna be cute, really cute when I put it on. So I have this, And yeah, so I'm gonna put it all in the suitcase and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I am all packed up. I got my undies and my, you know, undergarments in there, body wash and edge control and stuff in here. I got a little extra room in here than I expected, so that's good because normally I be pushing it. I got all my sandals, heels, slippers, toiletries, my purses over here, and then I got all these are all like swimsuits, dresses. These are dresses, my underclothes, and then my makeup. And yes, I'm really excited to wear this. I'm debating if I want to bring a different pair of shoes. I was going to wear this with these little pink heels here, but I just want it to be comfy because I know we're gonna be kind of out and about. But this is gonna be like a dinner dress for sure. So yeah, I'm all packed up. So that is done. Oh, this fell out. This smells so good. I get this from the European Wax Center. It smells so good. But that. I had my babies. I made it to the airport in one piece. And there's a big taxi going in for all of us to go to hotel. It is 11:33 a.m. My flight leaves at 12:52. So I'm just waiting, and hopefully people mind their business in this airport. So today, so my edge is doing what they want. I'm going to Cancun today. I'm excited, but I had a rough morning. I had a really rough morning, y'all. I broke my nail. For one, I couldn't even go get my nails done because I didn't have time. And on, what day was that? Was it Monday? Monday, I went and got my first vaccine, my COVID vaccine. And it was Tuesday because Wednesday, I felt like shit. I felt terrible. I felt like I had COVID. So I left work early. That was the day I was supposed to go get my nails done, but I didn't.
Social distancing, washing your hands regularly.
That was the day I was supposed to get my nails done, but I didn't. So yesterday when I got my hair done, I was going to get my nails done, but the lady I go to wasn't there, so that was a mess. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to leave them. They don't look that bad, but then I broke one. I ripped my outfits. I had a rough morning, but I made it here. So, yeah, get ready to go to Cancun. I'm excited. I'm debating if I want to break my vlog up into days or if I want to put it all together. So, I don't know. Please. I need to. I'm just waiting to board this flight. I got a little ways to wait. I'm asking the girls that I'm going with if they're here because I don't see anybody. I'm looking out, but I will keep y'all updated. I'll see y'all when we start boarding.
Once again, in the gate area, we are boarding all groups. All groups for American Airlines Flight 1416, service to Boston. All groups.
Not going to Boston. But yeah, so this is a mess. Like, I really, today out of all days, I break my nail. Yeah, I'll see y'all when I get on my flight.
Flight 1416, service to Boston.
Okay,
30, once again, over.
Made it on the flight.
13? Somebody's already there. Take 13 in.
This said playa car. This said playa car. It's a neighborhood.
We made it. We made it. It's hot as hell. You know I do. You know I do. I packed all my batteries back up. It's really humid. We made it. Waiting for. We waiting for a taxi. It was cold. What's going on with my shirt? It was cold in San Antonio, but baby, not here.
And that's exactly why I figured.
Yeah, I changed my outfit because I was like, I had some. Shower. Yes. Hold on, is this locked? How do I unlock it? It's so beautiful. Hey y'all, so I'm about to change. And then I think we're gonna go get food and drinks. So, yeah. So I changed some real cute, real simple. This is from Fashion Nova. I don't know what the set is called. I'll link it below. So yeah, I'm about to go eat. You guys, it is day 2. I am in Cancun, Mexico. It's really pretty out here. Yesterday I didn't really vlog that much and my face looked ashy because I got on sunscreen. I didn't vlog that much because we just went and got food and then we went out and we was just drinking and I didn't want to lose my camera or be walking around with my camera, so I didn't vlog. Nice. I'm about to go meet with the girls so we can go get some food, and then we are going to, I'm going up, not down, oops. We're going on a yacht. So I need to wipe my glasses off because they'll look foggy. Yeah, I will see y'all in a minute. I want a coconut.
He said it's fire.
Chicken from Jamaica. And then it's like
It's not so much you put. We have to be. I like your hair. Thank you. It's good. Yeah. I'm out. I ran out of there.
This burrito taking a long time. It better be good. That's how I feel. I'm dropping now. Say hi to my vlog. Hi vlog. Look at her back there. Party girl. I can't keep up with her, okay? I can't keep up with that one. But you did. I can't. You see me? I know there's a night. Right, she was fed up. She was like, you doing too much right now. And then, bitch, when you put your skinny ass hands on my face. Oh, yeah. I touch your face? Girl, as soon as you got skinny, I love your face. That's why when you poured it on that lip, you like girl, I love you.
It's too early. I'm tired. I'm tired. Look, I'm tired. Oh, yeah. It's like 6 o'clock.
You're the only one that can count anything. Baby, just play it straight, straight. No game. Alright then. So baby, tell her this girl, you know I can. So if you ever seem to lose your way, don't doubt. Father God, guide and protect. Simply means I wanna be checked, girl. You know the issue, don't you forget. And I would never ever disrespect, girl. I love you straight to my last breath, girl. You know I care. So if you ever see to
We just drove the shit out of this man. It's the backing up for me. Okay. We need help. made it to the yacht, y'all. It's hot. Where's that? Is that for this?
Yes.
He said, oh, I'm gonna do this in about 1 hour. With water. I'm fine. Hey, we in Cancun, bitches.
Y'all going
Yes, hey. We in motherfucking Cancun. We finna act up.
Okay.
You want to connect to the music?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm off duty here.
I'm ready, y'all. I'm recording everything today, y'all. It's thick, though. It's what? It's thick.
Some really shit, bitch.
My bun a mess.
I like cash in my head to my ass. Do the dash, can you make it go fast? Fuck the fame, all I want is some bands. If she keep on mugging, I'ma still her maybe. Watching my behavior, making you mad is my specialty. I'm the cake queen, I need you to have a seat. That would drill you like a cavity, and he won't let you win on his strategy. Better think twice when you come for our family. Honey, you're gonna cause a fatality. You know real men are giving me allergies, but I know they love my personality. Maybe cause I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make a million my salary. I might just took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody can tell. It took me a while to come.
My aunt just said, fuck me. Baby, so...
When you a boss, don't take a loss, count up a check.
Give him a shot real quick. Jamisha, give him a shot.
Diamonds in trip like a lake. I leave a 10, kill for an 8. Nigga, I skate. Nigga, I got standards.
I'm done. Throw her whole booty out.
Yeah, Kool-Aid jammer.
Why he keep trying to bring shots up here? Tequila. He trying to get us drunk. I don't know why. I don't know where my cup went. It's over there.
Tequila right here.
Where they go? Oh, here you go.
Hey, yo, Dennis, you fucking with that? Okay, cool. Yeah, my fucking brother right there. It is. Dexter. Pick it up.
Hey.
I got them dust on my shoes. Speed it up. Look at the diamonds, they eat it up. Every 2 bitches, I beat it up. They thinking no way, but they're leading them. Oh, wait.
Thank you.
Yes. My brother put like a socket. You can just know, yeah, I got him. Open the safe, you can't
Hey.
go to the top. Bust on your bitch like a clock. Ooh, she like to suck on my clock. Yeah. Look at the money, don't stop. Dexter. I'm saying, like,
I'm taking this by myself.
me too. But you a fucking goofy though. Oh, wait.
I'm trying to scoot closer.
Was a clown. See me, your bitch, once I try.
I'm trying to get y'all on.
I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick it in.
I need some more coke.
All of my wrist, you right on my clothes. All of mama, you sweet.
Bad bitch for the region.
Get her out, Molly, she geeking. Gotta be a free every shit while I'm geeking.
Like, no. We only can chill for the weekend. You gotta go.
I'm one of the prettiest motherfuckers that ever been to Dexter.
How's you standing up?
The liquor house, look.
Oh shit.
When I'm Californicating, I got 3 phones. Business conversation. Hold on. Wait a sec. Wait a minute.
People
Wait
fell
a
off
tick.
this yacht.
Shaking my wrist.
They probably have.
Shaking my wrist. My finger ring on my hand. Say what's happening.
Hell no.
I think everything that you're doing too. I did the way that you look at me. Do it again. The way that I look at you. I didn't want to grab on your butt.
Okay.
The seat in the Benz, a Chanel clutch. The F in and give him a haircut. I roll up a salmon the giant dust. That big booty bounce on the dick.
So bad. And she do what I say like she do it. And when I cut her, I would be no problem. If I fuck her, want nobody. Cause it be the face for me. The taste for me. The way she say pass out the state for me.
Oh, wait,
Shit away from me. Be the freaks for me.
Hey.
The way that she talk when she
You're going on YouTube. I want you to know that.
The pick I be beating it up.
Hey. Wait.
She finna do it for me.
Y'all be falling in love with the hoe. This be the gift for me.
She might not let one of you niggas fuck, but she'll look at it for me.
Walk it that way.
Purses and shoes for me.
Y'all gotta send me
Even though I'm just trying to get to know you. What you gon' do for me? If it a little nigga way out of I done gave him some of this wet shit. Got him thinking that it's all hair. And ain't got that grip. I'ma pop on it like a silk den. I'ma roll on it like a ball. Streets harder than
I like being Pirates of the Caribbean.
She look true to me. She might not do it for you little nigga, but she finna do it for me. It be the tricks for me.
Hey, turn up.
Why you be falling in love with the hoe?
You remind me of my sister. So much. You remind me of my sister.
She a little hotter than me. She might not get one of you niggas fuck, but she a little daddy for me.
Oh, a Cancer.
Shoes for me. Didn't know. I'm just trying to get to know what you gon' do for me.
What day? Where she go?
Kids out here, y'all.
What day is your birthday? June 12th. I'm July 9th.
Really? You
Look, I see Talia, when you on vacation, you on vacation.
Look, I'm over here like, what that mean?
That's true.
Because we on the boat, okay? And we right there.
Pussy good, so I use my advantage. Pipe down, I ain't mean to do damage. Just spend this money faster than he can manage. Pretty ass face, and I'm thicker than a sandwich. Boy, before you talk to me, better take a number. Need a big dick baller with the number. Money green, thick like a cucumber. I don't wanna.
Okay, you guys, so we made it to the beach after the yacht. It's starting to kind of sprinkle out here a little bit. I'm very much drunk, I'm not gonna lie. I think after this we're gonna like shower, get dressed, and then go eat and then go out again. I should have vlogged more for y'all yesterday, but I didn't. Let me know in the comments if y'all can tell that I'm drunk. Because yeah, the yacht was really fun. We got to get out. Hopefully we got some good footage for y'all, because the girls didn't know how to work the camera. I was in the water like, press the button, press the red button, and then to zoom in, do this. I was trying to show them how to work the camera. I was trying to give a tutorial, but I don't know. Hopefully they got some good footage for y'all to put in the vlog. Everybody is drunk, and yesterday I feel like the drinks was watered down because I didn't get drunk at all yesterday. Like, we were drinking at the, went to some place called something with a Senior Frog, I think it's called. But we had so many shots, but I wasn't drunk. And then we also went to, it's starting to really come down now, another place. And I had a lot of drinks and I was not drunk at all. So this time I'm drunk. So that's good. But it's starting to rain, so hopefully we can go in and, yeah, because it's starting to kind of pour down a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. But the beach is really pretty. They down there. Super nice. I had to change my battery. It's so humid out here. My edges have deceived me. They have left me. They said fuck me a long time ago. So like I said, mind y'all business. So my edges is curled up. But I'm hoping they ready. I don't even think they notice it's raining because they in the water. But I notice it's raining because I'm sitting here. So yeah, it's raining on my camera, you guys. So I'm about to put y'all up and I will keep y'all updated. I think I'm gonna make this vlog into like 2 parts. I was gonna do like day by day, but that's too much, and I've been too busy to vlog. And plus the Wi-Fi here is really trash. So I think I'm going to make this into 2 parts. Part 1, part 2. And we still have tonight and all day tomorrow, and then kind of a little bit of Monday. So I will keep y'all updated on my Cancun trip, but so far so good. I have never met these girls before besides one, and so far everybody is super sweet and super nice, and everybody's getting along, so I'm super excited. But it's raining, so I'm gonna put y'all up and I will let y'all know what we doing next. Okay, bye. This is my like first time really talking to y'all, but I just been on the move. But yeah, okay y'all, bye. They are so fucking drunk, y'all. Take this one. Falling in the damn water. Girl. She's taking pictures. Yeah, I don't know what she's doing, but everybody is drunk. It's this one on the left for me, because she just... Oh, it's still zoomed in. Back up. Back up, bitch. Yeah, everybody's having a good time. Y'all, we laid out. I'm drunk. I can barely see. Ooh, that salt water is nothing to play with. They had some jerk chicken at this place we went to earlier, and I'm going back because I need that jerk chicken.
Morning.
Hi.
What time is it?
About 3.
Oh my God.
It's only 3 o'clock. We drunk and it's only 3.
We are fucked up. It's only 3
Take it
o'clock.
slowly, girl.
It's only 3. You want another shot?
Okay.
Fuck it. We're gonna take another shot. Fuck it. All right. We still got a little left.
That just made me want to get back in the water.
Make you want to get back in the water?
That shot, hell yeah. Baywatch, baby.
Okay,
Let's do it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Woo! It's her taking off. It's her taking off running for me. Oh my God.
The head, lift them dumb down. Pussy never